Let's learn how to use slicers in Excel. Slicers are a powerful tool for filtering data in a table, making it easier to visualize and analyze specific information. Here's how to add and use slicers. Inserting slicers. First, ensure your data is formatted as a table. Click on the slicer option. This will open a window showing all the columns of your table. I will select the gender and location columns and then press OK. Adjusting slicers. After pressing OK, two slicer windows will appear, one for each selected column. You can adjust the height and width of these slicer boxes so they display correctly and fit nicely on your worksheet. Using slicers to filter data. To filter the table with these slicers, simply click on any value within the slicer. For example, if you click on a city name in the location slicer, the table will show only the data for that location. This is a very intuitive way to filter data. It's pretty useful, right? You can filter by gender in the same manner. Click on male or female in the gender slicer, and the table will display only the data for the selected gender. Selecting multiple slicer values. You can also select multiple values in a slicer. At the top of each slicer box, there is an option to select multiple items. Click on it to enable multi-selection. If you want to exclude certain values, simply unselect them. This will remove them from the filtered data, giving you more control over what you see in the table. Using slicers makes it incredibly easy to interact with and analyze your data. It's a visual and user-friendly method that enhances your data management capabilities. Practice using slicers with different columns and datasets to get a feel for how they can help you in your Excel projects.